It lives on pure air and fresh water. A bird, a little hunting and fishing a bird. But nothing ever stops him, the bird, from going higher. But I am alone in the universe. I'm afraid of the sky and winter. I am afraid of the madmen and of war. I'm afraid of the passage of time. Say, how can we live today in fury and in noise? I don't know. I don't know anymore. I'm lost. Do as the bird does. It lives on pure air and fresh water. A bird, a little hunting and fishing a bird. But nothing ever stops him, the bird, from going higher. But the love I was told about, this love that someone sang to me, the savior of humanity, I don't see any trace of it. Say, how can we live without him? Under which star, in which country? I don't believe it, I no longer believe it. I'm lost. Do as you please. It lives on pure air and fresh water. A bird, a little hunting and fishing a bird. But nothing ever stops him, the bird, from going higher. I'm tired of being ruled by merchants of freedom and to listen to oneself lament. My face in the ice, say, do I have to show the teeth? Do I have to give up? I don't know. I don't know anymore. I'm lost. Do as the bird does. It lives on pure air and fresh water. A bird, a little hunting and fishing a bird. But nothing ever stops him, the bird, from going higher.